All right, so next up, we've got our CTAs. So I'm going to create a new directory called CTAs. We're going to take this up, refactor, then we're going to rename. This is now going to be config. Then we're going to take our CTA block to our CTAs, refactor, and again, rename to component. And then let's open her up. All right, so we got slug. Then we need to add our interface name. We'll call this CTAProps. We'll come over here, generate our types. And yes, I could just go through and generate all the types at once, but this is more fun, more repetitive, whatever. So we've got our CTA, and here you can see one of my poor attempts at custom typing, but now I can just use the types that I get from Payload CMS. So CTA or props equals CTA props. Bring in props there. Then from props, it looks like that's only the button that I need. So we can just do const button equals props. So it's actually buttons. All right, so here we don't need the type anymore. And I think this one's already done because it's really just, oh, well, the buttons disappeared, so it must not be done. All right, so let's see why that happened. So let's log our buttons. We get undefined. And so let's come over here, find our CTA section. I have more than I thought. And then we have, well, first we actually need to make sure that the thing is active. So let's do active, and then if active, then return all this stuff. So we still get undefined for buttons. So I wonder what other props are available here. Don't need a header section. I guess I do. So we'll do the header section. And we'll add that in with header section. Perfect. And then that's it. So why didn't the buttons do anything here? All right, so I don't see our CTA section, and I wonder why. And it doesn't have anything to do with this. Or maybe it does. The tag undefined is not recognized in this browser. Okay, so that's a problem. So let's go to our inspector, and there's an undefined somewhere in here. So yeah, so undefined, oh, that's fine. So then in the custom header section, everything within our CTA is undefined. So why don't we log our props and see what's happening? Okay, so I see those, and then I see button. So what are we pulling in then? Button is not defined. Yes, I know that. Oh, here. Button. And so when I do this, it might bring all of that back. CTA. Whoops, not in there. CTA. All right, so then yes, we have CTA 01 and 02, but still, where's our header? All right, so let's go back to our CTA. So CTA props, we get our header section, we get active, and we get our buttons. But all we see in here is button. Did I accidentally name something else CTA props? Did not. So it's only this one. And I believe I generated types. Maybe I didn't. Don't know why it's doing that. So let's move on. We're getting, at least the CTAs are still there. So it can't be anything in the config though, because I see everything. Let's do a thing here. Let's just make sure, refresh everything, let it work its way out. And then we still get undefined. That's interesting. All right. So we'll move on for now and come back to this in a little bit. So next, it's going to let me know that there's an error, so I'm not too worried about that. All right, so new directory that we'll call FAQ block. Move this in refactor, rename, FAQ block. Nope, config. No, factor, rename, config. Okay, then we take our FAQ block from up here. All right, FAQ, refactor. Then we're gonna rename this one to be component. Then we'll go to our config. We'll generate an interface name, FAQ props. Generate those types. Come here. We get our type props, gonna be equal to FAQ props. get rid of FAQ item. Then set all of this to be props. Now let's hopefully I think that this is going to work. It didn't work for the last collection or the last block for some reason, but we'll figure that out later. Then we got header section. I don't know, why did I close this here? And then I've got FAQ. So we're gonna have to go dig into this item as well, but we can just do this. Oh, I have to re-import FAQ item. So property FAQ is missing in type. That's fine, we're gonna fix that in a second by adding, we don't need this anymore because we have our plain text converter now. So we can get rid of HTML converter feature, altogether. So in this array, can't really read that anymore, but we're gonna come down and do interface name and then have this be FAQArrayProps. Generate those types. FAQ item is the next thing that we need to adjust. Then we get to do our props, which we will again type FAQ or props equals FAQArrayProps. FAQArrayProps. Then in here we've got our const equals props. And then we get to take our question, config. We got FAQ array. Yeah, so FAQ array types should have question and answer. So const question answer, but none of those exist. What exists on FAQProp? Okay, well, I'm going to try it anyway. Question answer, and here we can use our rich text field, import that component, data. Okay, we're good there. And then do the same thing here, rich text, data. So it says those props don't exist, but I'm gonna bet you that they do. FAQ section, yep, we have an answer and we have a question. Okay, so I'm getting some wonky things with our props here, and I'm not exactly sure why, because I'm not actually even sure what's on. It's an array. Okay, so I think here is then when we have to do our non-nullable, then do props here. There we go. All right, so it was trying to take the type from an array. So using the non-nullable there picks the one item, but now we need to make sure that if there is data, so question, and then do the same thing for answer down here. And that fixes that, which should fix this, and that's all set. So we can get rid of this rich text type. We can get rid of this header type. And then we got our FAQ section up and running again. And so I don't have the FAQ schema set up, so we're not going to worry about that. Totally fine. So only a couple left here. So let's just add directories. So pain points. Let's actually make this easier on myself. Blocks. We're going to open this in the terminal, and we're going to make dir. We got sponsored block. We've got steps. We've got steps with icons. We've got a summary, and we've got a table of contents. And that should make those directories for me. Excellent. Now with that done, we can move pain points, sponsored block, steps with icon, summary, table of contents. Then we'll open this, add our interface name of pain point props, and then I know I'll most likely need like a type. This is the array part of it. I know I'm going to need our interface name pain point array props. Then we'll go to sponsored. This will be, I don't think I have a plain text, so we're good. All right. Then we can do our interface name here, which will be sponsored block props. Go to steps. We'll need two here as well, where we'll have the interface name of steps here. We'll have another interface name, which will be steps array props. I need to add our props here. Then steps with icon. Do first an interface name for steps with icons, array props, and then I don't want to type all that again, so we're going to come down here and then add or take away array. Do the same thing for summary, interface name, summary props, and then table of contents, interface name, table of contents props. Then I believe we need under here our interface name, table of contents, array props. Perfect. So we can save that. Then we can do our generate types, and we're going to rename all of these, I think, to config in each of their respective folders, but we're not going to rename the constant because that would be silly. 6 config, config, refactor, no. All right, so now we can take our blocks here. Let's close up our components. We got, oh, we don't have feed yet, so I'm just going to drop that in there. Refactor, rename this as component. But let's go up to our page to add to our to-dos, which will be later for sure. We'll do add feed selector block to choose different types of feeds and blocks array. So we can keep going now with our blocks here. We've got our pain points. Then we got our sponsored section that we'll bring down here. Then we got steps with icons, summary, and then table of contents is the last block up here. All right, so let's delete this block directory, make sure that it's truly empty. Delete that. Then come in here and then we'll do our rename these to component. Then same thing here, component, vector rename. That's the wrong folder. Do component here. Why don't I just copy this? Copy. Oh, because it's the last one. That's why. Refactor, rename, paste. That's the wrong place.